Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Monero. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first key level we notice is our monthly swing high. Now, we also notice a key level right here. And as always, color coordinate the level to the time frame you're working in. For this level, we can fine tune it as we go into the weekly time frame. But we notice price came up, and we see it reacting as support here. We see a reaction from this long wick, reactions here, and we see reactions here. So we can also plot in our monthly swing low here. Let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart. Now here on the weekly chart, we can see more clearly the reactions to this key level here. So we see reactions as resistance here, resistance acting as support, support, and support over here. Now, we can notice a key level right here. So, plotting this level and color coordinate it to the weekly time frame, we notice reactions as resistance, We see price break through before falling back under, reacting around the key level, and we see a resistance reaction here. Now, we can also plot in our weekly swing high here. Now we notice another level here, acting as resistance, and we see support reactions, resistance reactions, and support reactions. So we have multiple reactions to this key level, which is obvious to spot looking at our chart. So, looking at the chart, these are all of our key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.